Ah, I just love taking a bath. Me too. Remember the bubble baths we used to take when we were kids? Ah, the good old days. How about we make sure that Günther gets to take a really cool bubble bath tonight? Oh, yes, count me in. It's payback time. But we need many water for that. No problem. But I think you say much and not many. Really? Let's ask Dan when we see him. Good idea.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back.
Hi, Dan. Hello, Dan. Hello, Mr. Daniel.
Hey, Teach.
I hope you had a wonderful Easter, enjoyed it, and didn't eat too much chocolate. Okay, remember 2 weeks ago we talked about when to use a or a and when to use un. And I told you, remember that one? It's not about the spelling, it's all about the pronunciation. So let's have a quick look at the answers to the test. Number 1. What do you think? Billy has a or un car? Yes. As I said, pronunciation car is pronounced with a consonant, so we have to use a car. Billy has a car. Number 2. Sven is eating a or an apple. Apple is pronounced with a vowel. It's also spelled with a vowel. Well, that's just coincidence, but it's pronounced with a vowel, which means we have to use Sven is eating an apple and not a apple. Number 3, we have Günther. What is Günther doing? Günther is watching a or an interesting film. Correct. Interesting begins with a vowel sound, so we have to use an interesting film. Number 4. Yuki will come in a or an hour. What do you think? It's pronounced, it's spelled with a consonant, but it's a silent H, which means we pronounce it with a vowel, so we have to use an hour and not a hour. Number 5, we have Simon lives in a or an European country. Again, spelled with a vowel, but European is not pronounced with a vowel, but with a consonant. So we have to use Simon lives in a European country. Number 6 goes to Billy. Billy is looking at a or an university. Spelled with a vowel, but not pronounced with a vowel sound. So we have to use a university. Number 7, 2 more to go. Sven wants to be a or an FBI agent. F, spelled with a consonant, but pronounced with a vowel, F. So, an FBI agent. And the last one goes to Günther. Günther will attend a or an one-day meeting. Again, spelled with a vowel, but one pronounced with a consonant, so we have to use a one-day meeting. Okay, that's it. How well did you do? Do you have any questions? If so, please leave them in the comments section, and I will get right back to you. One more thing that may help you tell the difference between a and an is if you pronounce the sentence as a whole. For example, an apple. It just sounds a lot smoother than if you were to say a apple. Sven eats a apple. That's not smooth. Sven eats an apple. Same thing with the hour. An hour, not a hour. I will be back in an hour. I will be back in an hour. It just doesn't sound natural. Same thing goes for a university. Not I'm going to an university. I'm going to a university. That sounds perfect. A one-day meeting. I will attend a one-day meeting. No, I will attend a one-day meeting. So just listen to yourself, and that may help you decide whether it's a or an. Sven and Billy had a question regarding much and many. They want to know when to use much and when to use many. Now, simply said, you use much before uncountable nouns and many before countable nouns. It's actually that easy. Yes, it's not that difficult. The difficult part is knowing when a noun is countable and when it's not countable. So, for example, if you can count something, like cars, chairs, toys, you use many. I have many toys. I have many cars. But if you can't count it because there are, for example, too many to count, then you have to use much. For example, you can't count things like rice, coffee, sugar, milk, water, or air. Then you have to use much. I like to eat much rice. I have much coffee. I have much sugar. Things like that. Now, what do you want to do? Or what do you do if you want to make an uncountable noun countable? Instead of using I have much rice, you can say I have a bowl of rice. Bowl is a countable noun. And you can say I have 2 bowls of rice. So put something that is uncountable in something that is countable. And then you can count it. So for example, coffee. I have much coffee. If you want to make it countable, then for example, say I have 2 cups of coffee. Cups are countable. Then you can use it. Or I have much water. Yes, you cannot say I have many water. But if you put water in a glass, for example, you can say I have 2 or 3 glasses of water. I have 1 bottle of water, because glasses, bottles, they're countable. Or sugar. You cannot say I have many sugar, but you can say I have 2 spoons of sugar. Spoon is countable. So put uncountable nouns into countable nouns to make them countable. Now, of course, there are exceptions, as always, but we will talk about those some other time. So for now, see if you can answer the test as usual. Where is it? Where is it? Right here. Here we go. I have created another test for you with exactly these questions. See if you can answer them using much and many. And of course, as usual, next week we will have a look at the answers. But if you have any questions in the meantime, send me an email or ask me a question using the comments section. And of course, as usual, again, you will find the test on my website. The link is behind me or in the description of the video. Now I wish you good luck. Have a wonderful time. And as usual, please, please, please don't forget to subscribe if you like our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you love our channel. We'd be happy to answer any question you have. Just let us know. Tell us you're out there. And until next week, have a wonderful time. Take care and stay healthy. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. See you.
See ya.
Goodbye.
Ah, nothing beats a relaxing bath. Wait, what's going on? Hey, what is this? Where are these bubbles coming from? Oh no, no. You gotta be kidding me. Help, Mommy!